you have?
We have 4 or 5 moms, and they're piglets.
Oh,
Yes.
I can see they are very cute.
Yes.
But this big one is getting on my nerves.
Oh, no, don't worry. Pigs usually don't bite people.
Oh.
Not unless they're very hungry. And these ones are well fed, so yeah. So don't worry. I'll hold you. I'll hold you.
That's a great idea.
Yeah.
Is pig farming profitable?
Yes, it is profitable.
Oh, profitable.
Yes. Here mainly we keep pigs for pork. So they are basically for us and for our neighbors. We don't keep very many of them.
Okay.
Yeah. Mainly it's also for the piglets. There are people who come and collect the piglets from us, especially the bigger farms, because they don't look after the mothers. They just want the piglets and then feed them up to around 8 months and then sell them to Farmer's Choice or to other slaughterhouses.
Oh my God.
Yes.
That's just harsh.
Oh no, it's not harsh. God provided food.
Do you milk pigs?
No, the milk from the pigs is just mainly for their babies. So we don't milk pigs.
They eat, it even sounds disgusting.
What? The milk?
Milk from pigs?
Yeah. And it's not much, but it's enough for the babies. See how the babies have grown big? Yeah, it's able to feed the babies.
I have gone to other farms. I've seen many piglets. They are very fat, even
Yes.
fatter than this big one.
Yes. The older they get, of course, the bigger they become.
Okay. Where do you sell your pigs?
Mainly we sell them to other farmers who want to, grow the pigs from piglets up to adult pigs. And and for our own consumption.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm a pork lover myself.
Me too.
Yeah, we'd get along. Yes.
Have you kept pigs?
We've been doing the pigs for 1 year or so. Yeah.
So the piglets were born in?
These piglets were born on August 14th. So they are almost a month. No, they're a month plus. Yeah, they're a month old.
They're a month old. Wow. They're turning big within a month.
Yeah, and in the next 1 month, they'll probably be gone. We already have somebody who's booked them because they want to continue, feeding them until they're big pigs and then sell them.
Okay. Is pig meat white or red meat?
Pig meat, pork, is considered to be white meat. It's white meat, and it's actually said that it's more nutritious and has more nutrients than beef.
Okay.
Cow meat, yeah. And it's very good for those who are watching their weight and those who don't want to have too much fat in their body. They eat white meat.
Okay. Between a big pig and a medium pig, which do you think it's more, delicious?
Maybe we'll ask the chef about that. Because as a farmer, I think the bigger the better. The heavier it is, I sell more kilos and I get more money from that. So we'll ask the chef what's tastier. For me, it's not so much the taste, but the weight.
Okay.
Yeah. Remember to ask the chef that, okay?
Okay.
Okay.
What is the nutrition value of pork?
Pork is very high in iron. Do you know what iron is responsible for in the body? Iron is the mineral that makes you produce more blood in your system. So pork is very rich in that, and it also has very low cholesterol, the bad fats. The bad fats that affect your body? Pork has very low of that. So perfect for those people who are minding their weight. Yeah.
Okay. What would you give to kids who want to put pigs in their farm?
Yeah, I'd advise them to probably start with a piglet. Keep it. Pigs are very easy to keep. You just need a nice house for them, a house that has been sheltered from the rain, like the roof we have here, but also an open space where they can, come and bask in the sun. And provide as much water as you can. Give food pigs also eat lots of leftover, and then you can get some unga from the shops and plenty of water. But pigs are quite easy. You just need to keep them clean, you know, sweep the house and provide the food that they need.
Okay guys, let's head to poultry farming, folks.